Hi, patron Brocker. So I got your inquiry about looking for the Vivaldi book. Um, so first off, you're going to go to library.sjsu.edu and then select enter. This will lead you to the SJSU page. Here under one search, you're going to type Vivaldi, the Red Priest, and then you are going to select enter on your keyboard or just click this little magnifying glass. It will lead you to search results. And under the search results, you're going to see that book right at the top called Antonio Vivaldi, The Red Priest of Venice. This is also going to provide you with the author first name, last name, which is Karl Heller. So our listings are always last name first, first name. This also gives you the location within the library. So it's actually available on the 5th floor. I could hold this book for you, or you can give anyone in the library, any employee, this call number right here, ML410.V82. H4413, and then that's published in 1997. That's the copy that we have available to check out, which is why it says here available. So if you would like me to hold that for you, just go ahead and feel free to let me know, or bring this call number into the library and then we can locate it for you. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you.